I think at this point, we're just gonna have to embrace the AI that has invaded teacher tech. And I have found a site that I think you're absolutely gonna love. Head on over to questionwell.org. Select try it out and then sign in with your Google account. You'll land on a page that gives you an example of how to use Questionwell. I copied some text from this website about Mesopotamia and pasted it right into the Questionwell site. Don't forget to add a title. You can add learning objectives or standards if you want. And then when you're ready, just select generate set. It may actually take a minute or two to generate the question set, but well worth the wait. Now that the questions have generated, Questionwell actually gave me 19 questions from that article. I can choose to select and use all of the questions, or if I don't like all of them, I can just select whatever ones I want individually. And then over here, it gives me an export option. I'm gonna select that I wanna include the answers, and then it gives me all these places I can export to. I chose to export to Google Forms, and so now I'm gonna view this right in Google Forms. And look at that, all the questions are here. Because Questionwell sends it right into my drive, I have the option to edit this form. And it's already set as a quiz for me, and the answer key is already done. The only thing I may need to add is the point value for each question. I titled my form so I can find it easy, and then I can use this folder option to go ahead and select where I want the form to live in my drive. Anytime I want to reuse something, I don't have to start over, it'll be in my saved sets. I hope you like this, and I think it's up to each teacher individually to really vet those questions that Questionwell develops for you, but what a great time saver. I hope you like it.